motherfucking shit online. This nigga fucked it up for me, man.
Man.
Bitch ass nigga don't even know what the fuck you doing.
The wrong people.
Nigga, come on, man. I gave you the key. You ain't even out here using it how you supposed to be using it, nigga. How you supposed to shelter your keys if you ain't using them right, nigga?
Come on, man.
Bitch ass, nigga.
What part of the game is that?
So I like fucking with nobody. You feel me?
Mamas.
I feel a lot of shit built inside me. Shit really made me don't wanna fuck with nobody. I'd rather be short on my partners than short on my dollars. I made magic on my own, I create my own shutter. And cash rules everything in every hood and corner. I got states I need to test some plays in Arizona. I touched down with my round blood, not from California. I'm a real city nigga, I know niggas doing numbers. I've been stacking all winter, I'm ready for the summer. I been living for my soul, fuck a #1 stunner. I wasn't raised with the gold, I don't know nothing about it. But when I find out I'ma be a rich nigga, probably. You broke bitch, can't even tell it's fake gold or diamonds. You niggas scared to spend some money, I don't know why you trying. And I'm a breadwinner, dog, I'm built to get mines. I thank Buddha for the shine in this heavy grind. It took a while for me to learn to win, nigga. But when I win, I choose to never lose the fuck again. To be a king, I know there's other ways I need to live. So when I dream, I think about this crazy shit I did. Cause when I'm rich, I'ma think about a lot of shit. I'm tryna own some property like Nipsey Hussle did. And turn $100 to $100,000 like so quick. Nigga, give my hood back that money like a brother rim.
I don't do no talking, I clap you up, ayy. Money on your head, that's a bounty, ayy. Gang, I'm counting blue strips, ain't no counterfeits, ayy. I'm hitting all these stores on that sliding shit, gang. She was a pop, I ain't like the bitch. Posted on the block, piss kept a stick. I was really on the block, really having shit. Let a op slide through, we gon' park this whip. Gang, I-85, 80 in my fucking lane. Too much sauce, I be dripping on you fucking lane. Let a nigga say my name, he gon' feel this thing. In the trenches, close range, fuck up his brain. I don't trust thoughts, I don't trust hoes. In the field, a nigga gotta play it cutthroat. Cause your own homie will get you for that bankroll. It's a cold game, so my heart cold. And my neck froze, trapping out of bandos. On commando, scamming with a white hoe. Riding big shit, you niggas been broke. Tell them niggas out of state I got them big lows. And we still coming through with them big poles. Tell them mop niggas duck when it's drum roll. I've been running up a check, I got a dumb roll. I've been running up a check, I got a dumb roll.